There are fast cars, there are wild cars, and then there's the 2026 Czinger 21C Blackbird, a vehicle so advanced, so radical, that it blurs the line between science fiction and street-legal hypercar. Built in California by Czinger Vehicles, the 21C isn't just another fast EV. It's a revolution in how cars are designed, built, and driven. Let's start with the basics. The Czinger 21C Blackbird is the evolution of the original Czinger 21C, which already shocked the world with a claimed 0 to 60 in under 1.9 seconds and a top speed over 250 miles per hour. For 2026, Czinger returns with refinements in aerodynamics, performance, and digital architecture, making the Blackbird edition the ultimate iteration. What makes the 21C Blackbird different? It's all about innovation. This isn't a car stamped out on a traditional production line. It's designed with artificial intelligence, printed with advanced 3D manufacturing, and assembled like a fighter jet. The monocoque chassis and suspension components are printed from aerospace-grade aluminum alloys, achieving both extreme strength and weight savings. Performance is at the core of the Czinger DNA. The 21C Blackbird features a hybrid powertrain that pairs a twin-turbo 2.88-liter V8, yes, a real engine, with two electric motors driving the front wheels. Together, they deliver 1,350 horsepower in standard trim, and up to 1,750 horsepower in the Blackbird Spec X. This powertrain is mated to a 7-speed sequential gearbox and an all-wheel drive system tuned for maximum grip. The result: absolutely brutal performance. 0 to 60 mph in 1.88 seconds. A quarter mile in under 8 seconds. A Nürburgring lap time that challenges the very best from Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. And yes, a top speed of 253 miles per hour in the long-tail version. But here's the kicker: it's road legal. Every Blackbird is built to meet global regulations for street driving. Inside the 21C Blackbird, you'll find a radical tandem seat layout. The driver sits front and center like in a jet fighter, and the passenger sits directly behind. This setup maximizes visibility and aerodynamics, while delivering an ultra-immersive experience for both occupants. The cockpit is minimalist but high-tech, with a yoke-style steering interface, digital HUD, and gesture-based controls. The steering, suspension, and braking systems are all track-grade. You're looking at active aero, adaptive dampers, and carbon ceramic brakes large enough to stop a jetliner. The car rides low and wide, with sculpted carbon fiber bodywork that generates serious downforce, over 1,500 pounds at 155 miles per hour. Let's talk design. The 21C Blackbird looks like nothing else on the road. Its curves are algorithmically generated for aerodynamic efficiency, with intakes, splitters, diffusers, and canards shaped by computational fluid dynamics. It's brutal, beautiful, and biomechanical. The doors open upward in dramatic butterfly fashion. The rear features an enormous wing with active aero elements. Every inch of this machine is engineered for speed and stability. On the tech side, the 21C includes full telemetry, over-the-air updates, and an advanced driver coaching system that uses machine learning to help improve your lap times. There's even a built-in track mode that adjusts aero, suspension, and torque split based on the course you're driving, from Laguna Seca to the Nürburgring. Production will be extremely limited. Czinger plans to build just 80 units of the 21C Blackbird, each one customizable down to the millimeter. Buyers can choose between high downforce track specs or the low-drag V-Max variant for top-speed runs. Prices start at $2.1 million, but for many, the appeal is having something no one else can even dream of owning. In a world of electrified performance, the Czinger 21C Blackbird doesn't just raise the bar, it obliterates it. This is a car made by AI, printed by robots, driven by adrenaline, and engineered for another dimension. If you want the future of speed, this is it. The Czinger 21C Blackbird isn't just fast.